Bonjour and welcome to Disneyland Paris. Tour. So as you guys know, I am celebrating my birthday and we are traveling all throughout Europe, and today we made it to Paris, and so we just checked into our hotel, and so I just wanted to give you guys a tour of my beautiful room that my best friend Nicole treated us to for my birthday. So come on in. Okay, so I love this big window. Do you have it all with you? It just has like a really beautiful Parisian flair to it. Look at the sofa. It's gorgeous. And let's see. What's not? Oh, it's a little bit of a, like if you want to get like some ice, there's an ice bucket in here. There's a pitcher. Maybe that heats up the water. Let's see what else. A coffee machine, a carafe. That's so pretty. Since this is a Disneyland hotel, everything is Disney themed. When we came upstairs, we saw a presentation of Beauty and the Beast because of course we're in Paris, so that's like the theme of this hotel. It's so gorgeous. There's Ariel on the wall. Super gorgeous. If I decide I need to sit at the desk and do a little bit of work, of course, there's a desk here with a beautiful mirror. I can do my makeup in that mirror. The plan is that we will be going to the park, which is, this hotel is actually on the grounds of the park. So we're gonna do that. And I will be going to the Pandora in the park so I can get a Disneyland Paris exclusive charm. And I definitely wanna get on the Ratatouille ride because that's my favorite non-Disney princess Disney movie. So I'm gonna get on the Ratatouille ride. I'll probably get on It's a Small World, and that may be it. I will see what else the others want to do. I'm not really a big rides person. And what else? I also want to eat some delicious French food in here. Nicole said there's some really great macarons, and it's okay, you can say something.
I was gonna say, open the door, go out on the terrace.
Oh!
There's a terrace.
I literally thought this was a big window. It just gets better and better. So that's about it for now, and I will pop back in when we reach the park. BRB. The smaller one is this one with less roller coasters.
Yeah, so
Okay.
I guess you have a star in every single coaster or something with drops.
Okay.
And you have all the rest. So,
Okay.
in Adventure World, you have a Spider-Man. Mm-hmm. So you need to help a Spider-Man to destroy some spider bots.
Okay.
Alright, that's gonna be this right here. You have a few musicals. The Tangled Spin from Tangled.
This is this part right here?
Yes.
Which one has
Ratatouille.
Ratatouille? This one?
Ratatouille is gonna be this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So you have Ratatouille just right here with Castle Trip, that's really good as well.
Okay.
And then you have World of Frozen. So the brand new attraction Frozen Ever After.
Okay.
That is great. It does have a drop, but it's
Okay.
only one drop.
One drop.
I mean, it's like family friendly.
deep is the drop? How deep is it? Is it like
So it's gonna be like 5 seconds. It goes like this, but I mean,
okay?
it's
So
family
it's not
friendly.
like where you go up, and then
no,
move.
no, 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 no,
Okay,
no,
I don't
worry.
like this.
Don't worry.
Okay.
It's not a coaster.
Okay.
So let's have it on this one.
Yes.
And here, I mean, so that's a classic Disneyland Paris. So you have many options for family.
Okay.
And then at 10:40 you have 2 shows happening at the same time. So you need to choose.
Okay.
So here you have cascade of lights.
Okay.
So it's going to have
That's
flowers
pretty.
and projections into
Okay.
the water.
Okay.
It's really beautiful. Otherwise, at Disneyland Park you have Disney Tales of Magic.
Okay.
So the middle of Main Street in the castle,
Okay.
everything will become a giant cinema screen for 20 minutes.
Oh, that's
It's
nice.
really beautiful.
Oh my goodness. Oh, what's your favorite one?
I can't. But I mean, I really do love the castle.
Yeah.
When I first came here, I mean, I really fell in love with the castle. So maybe I could pick this one if it wasn't my first time here. But this is a great park. And Frozen Ever After is probably the most beautiful the attraction between these
This
two.
overall sounds really great, but I really wanted to try the Ratatouille ride, so that's
Okay,
the only
so
thing.
I mean, you've made your choice.
There's no choice. It's this one.
So this is one. And the show in the night is really beautiful.
Okay, it is. Okay. Okay, it sounds great.
And I mean, you happen to be here when we opened this brand new land like 5 days ago.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay. So I think it's going to be Disney Adventure World. Are you okay with that? Okay. Perfect. Thank you,
My pleasure.
Sergio. We're looking for the Ratatouille ride first. That's the first thing I want to get on.
What a great birthday. Best birthday ever.
Les invités pour le dîner.
On n'aura pas idée en commun? Non. Someone? Kill someone. What? That's it!
Mais c'était triste.
Dépêchez-vous! Par ici! Go! Go! Pour la carte! Maintenant! Oui, ma chérie! Hey! Thanks for coming, everyone! Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Remy. À bientôt et bon appétit!
This is just a little behind the scenes of me and Nicole's travel patches backpack.
Our activities.
These are the things that we do
Just for fun.
just for fun.
Just to make it exciting.
Oh my gosh, this Disney one is so pretty over here. I think I saw that one. You had that at the airport. I just love it. It's so cute.
Memorializing all of our adventures.
Yeah. Cute. There any on the other? I'll just wait. So after she irons them, she's going to reinforce them with stitching. Yep. Very, very cute. And you guys, oh, I look terrible, but anyway, you guys saw mine most likely when I was walking, but I still have more to add as well. So yeah, they're going to both be cute when they're done, and I'll show you guys.